YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Paid Roll, also known as Aces Paid. Yes sir, finally the time. It's time to take the damn Trackhawk to get the hood on there. We're gonna do the lights today, the lights under the hood so you can see. I'm not sure if we're gonna do the bottom front part. I'm not sure yet, but I might change out the front. For sure we're gonna do the tailpipes. We're gonna put the new tailpipes on here. So yeah, just about to get a new little makeover real quick. Little makeover for the Trackhawk. It's the last time you're gonna see the Trackhawk like this. So get ready for the new makeover, man. It's a lot of traffic. I'm up early. I'm gonna fast forward till we get there, till we pulling in. And then yeah, start the video up there. All right, y'all, here we go. Even more though, we're taking this thing to get modded out real soon, so it's gonna be a whole lot different. So y'all just bear with me. We're gonna have a lot of new coming real soon, gang. Like whole tune, getting the pipes, new pipes on this, putting courses on this thing. Wide body kit. I also got the 101 wrap coming real soon, so y'all just stay tuned, man. We got a lot of content coming for y'all. For all my loyal people, man, we're gonna look out for you, man. This is Paid Roll, man. You fucking with me, man, you're gonna get paid for sure, man. Bringing y'all all the little ways to make money, legit ways to make money, man. Like, this is not just a car channel. It's more than a car channel. It's gonna be a real lifestyle, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all just stay tuned. A whole bunch of traffic. It was like dead stop traffic, so it wouldn't have been no good footage. So I just fast forward to here. So we about to pull in, get everything situated, get the car in. Shouldn't be no I believe on the first person, so we should get straight to it. All right, y'all, pulling into 404 right now. Here we go. Got some shit out here too. Okay, got some TRXs out here, right? Yeah. Tough, but the gray on the dirt stuff. Look at the hood on that. Look at this one. Alright, tell me that ain't tough. Got the see-through on the hood though. I should've went with this hood though. That's what I was thinking about. So you see how that hood got the 3 stars on it? Then you got the regular Trackhawk hood. tough. The color combo tough. That thing sound good, bro. That thing sound good. Orange. Yeah. Sound good. Yeah. That's how it's supposed to sound right there. That's how it's supposed to sound.
It just seemed more aggressive.
Yeah, for sure. You just cut the mid off, huh? Alright.
Yeah, but I add like
For sure.
160.
160?
Yeah. Do upper, lower, and two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to go. Touched up. What's good? That's tough. Yes, sir. My bad to hold you up. Everybody for liking and commenting, subscribing, man. All my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. We're gonna keep this shit coming. I got a lot of videos in the making, man, right now, so they're gonna be dropping back to back. Like, we're gonna drop like once or twice a week videos, and then, you know, we do the shorts every day, but we're gonna be doing videos like at least twice a week. So I appreciate everybody for watching, man. Everybody subscribing and stuff. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and let me know what y'all want to see on the next video, and we're gonna load that up and get it going, man. Until next time, y'all. It's your boy. Thank you for tuning in to Payroll. Payroll taking over the show.
I'm working on these flaws. Yeah, I ain't tryna get rich, that's the real gangster. And you know use my dog so I can go against you. I know my dog dead, but I had so much anger. I was feeling low, so much questions, no answers. That motherfucker went stop. When she was alive, Grandma used to call me handsome. Always know I was good, be rich, boy, this shit ain't random. I could put you on for a fee, no free samples. Had to leave them hoes alone, I had to up my standards. I'm too worried about this money, got no time for pampers. And they hell kept black on black, yeah, I creep like a